Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Clip the dampener arm back onto the glove box. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the two securing tabs behind the frame. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.